Hey everybody, Billy Aiken here. Welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about how to create a membership site and the best platform for you to use to create membership sites, courses, to be able to give them away for free, to be able to build your email list and build a following, or to be able to sell them and generate a full-time income. I want to challenge you, stick around until the end of the video as I'm going to be giving away a free resource where you'll be able to download a fully functional pre-built membership site all ready to go, where all you need to do is just change the images, the videos, just kind of make it yours, and then you can go and give it away for free, or you can sell it to make a huge profit. So that's what today's video is going to be about. And of course, as always, if this is your first time here with me, I want to thank you for being here. And I want to challenge you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. And also click on the notification bell right next to it so you can be notified when awesome videos just like this are released. Let's go ahead and dive in. So there's a lot of different reasons why you would want to create a course or a membership site. Maybe you have some valuable content in a specific niche that you want to be able to teach a wide audience, and having a good quality membership site or a course is really the perfect way for you to be able to take your content and to be able to deliver it to the masses. So a couple of things we need to address. First, do you really need to build a membership site or a course? So really that only should apply to you if you have something of value that you can give to people. You need to be able to have your content ready, to be able to select the niche that you're wanting to teach on, to get your topics and your basically all of the categories that you're going to teach on, and to be able to get all the content together, to get all the videos together, and to be able to upload those videos to Vimeo, for example. You can even upload them here on YouTube. But basically, you've got to have a good framework and a good game plan in place. And once you have your idea, and once you have the content that you're going to be creating, you need to be able to have a platform in place to be able to put all of the text, the copy, the images, and all of the videos on. There's a lot of different options for you. There's Thinkific, there's Teachable, there is Udemy, there's a ton of different places. But what I want to do is I want to give you what I believe is the best resource for you to be able to use to put your content in a course or membership site format. And this platform has been proven to convert tens to hundreds of millions of dollars in sales. So even though Thinkific and Teachable and some of these other platforms that are out there are great, really those are only good for you to be able to upload your content, and then everybody's membership site and course kind of looks the same. What I want to do is give you the ability to be able to make it your own. And I'm talking about the entire design. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. So we're going to go ahead and hop on my computer, and we're going to go ahead and show you this platform we're going to be using, how you can download the pre-built template that I'm going to be giving you. And we're going to kind of go through and do some edits and some changes, kind of show you how it works, where you should be uploading your content, and kind of going through some basic principles. And definitely hope you get a ton of value out of this. Let's go ahead and hop on and get started. Hey everyone, so basically I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you everything that's included that I'm going to be giving you today. And so I'm really excited about this video. I'm going to be honest with you, because I did extensive research on all the membership and course platforms that are out there. I think it was like a year ago, I was wanting to create a course that I can give away for free that will help people to basically to make money, to generate a passive income, and to kind of show them the tech side on how to do it. And so I checked all the different platforms out there, and I just found that there wasn't really a lot of customization that you could do with those platforms like Thinkific or Teachable. And I also found that some of them were quite expensive. So thankfully, I found that inside of a platform that I was already using, that I can create a membership site or a course. And I had no idea that I could do it. And I was so excited. And that platform is called ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is the most popular company in the world right now for developing sales funnels, for generating leads, sales, customers, building out webinars, building out membership sites, for doing lead generation, for basically it's like the central hub of my entire business is all based on ClickFunnels. I do everything. I do my email marketing. I build out websites. I build out my sales funnels. I run all of my Facebook ads. I run all of my advertising. It's all done to ClickFunnels. So anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you 2 membership sites that I'm going to give you access to for free. The first one is called Freedom Secrets Roadmap to Success. I'm going to be giving this to you for free. And it consists of these different pages. Basically, it's 3 pages. And here's the first page. It's called a landing page. It's a page that people land on, and it has an enticing offer and shows some income proof. And all they have to do is enter their email in order to get to the next page. It's very simple, very easy to use. And it's connected to my email autoresponder. So when people enter their email, I'm going to be following up on the back end. And then what they do is it goes to this page. And let me pull that up. And here, actually, yeah, I thought I would do that. Let me log out real quick. And what it does is it takes you to this page, and it's kind of like a bridge page. What it does is like, congrats on taking the first step on launching your business. Here are the steps you need to take. Watch the video and go ahead and log in or create an account at the bottom of the page. And once you do that, you get access to this course. It's something that I created. It took me a couple of weeks to create. I shot all the videos myself and did the design work and everything. It's very easy to do. I created this Canva. It took me, or this, I created this logo inside of Canva. It's kind of dyslexic. I got it backwards. But I went to canva.com and created this logo for free. And but anyway, it's got some pretty cool training in here on how to set everything up. So I'm going to give this to you for you to be able to use. And what you could do is you can actually go through the training yourself, and you can kind of learn how to do all the tech stuff. You can kind of learn how to do it. And then secondly, I'm giving it to you so that you can make it your own, and you can create your own course or your own membership site. And all you could do is you can swap out the videos, or you can rearrange things. It's extremely easy. Let me show you how to do it. Check this out. We're going to go to the opt-in page, and I'm going to click on Edit Page. And let me show you how easy the editor is. It's child-proof. It's so easy to use. Let's check this out. All right, so here's we can go in here, and we can make changes. We can drag and drop. We can bring it right here, and that kind of looks funny. So why don't we put it back, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to put it back. I'm just kind of show you how easy it is to move stuff around. We can change this picture out by clicking on the little settings icon, go over here to images, and just, select a new image. I can change the background and go over here. And then what I can do is click on background, and let's do this one. Let's see how that looks. And hey, that's not bad. That actually looks pretty good, right? But anyway, I can go through and I could change everything. I could change the layout. I can change it all. And when you do, of course, make sure you hit save. And I can integrate my autoresponder. I could do search engine optimization and get that set up. If you're doing a Facebook pixel, you can set that up. You can also check it out in the mobile view to see what it looks like on mobile. You have to optimize for mobile. Very important. And let's go ahead and get out of this. So what you're going to do is when you click on the link below this video, okay, what you're going to, and by the way, I'm going to stop right there. Before you go any further, I want you to see the massive value that you're getting out of this video. I'm going to be giving you 2 courses that have been proven to convert anywhere from thousands to millions of dollars in sales. Now, don't freak out when I say millions. I'll explain a little bit later what I mean. It wasn't me, but believe me, I wish it was, but I will get there. I can promise you that. But I'm going to talk about a course that was created by Russell Brunson and Tony Robbins, and but anyway, I'm gonna give you that course that did $32 million in sales. Pretty awesome. But what you're gonna do is what I want you to do is to do three things. One, I want you to click on the like button below this video. I just want you to smash the like button. Okay, I'm giving you so much value. Do this for me, please. Please do this for me. Second, I want you to click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I want you to make sure that videos like this that come out, that you get access to it. Three, comment below this video the one thing that you're getting the most value out of inside of this video. I want to know what you get the most value out of. But once you go in the description below and you click on the link to download this entire system, you're going to come to a page like this. And it's for you to go ahead and sign up for ClickFunnels. It's free to sign up. Don't worry, you're not going to have to pay for anything. But below, you're going to get, actually, this is for the second funnel I'm going to give you. You're able to get a preview of what you're getting. And I'm going to give you this as well. And check that out. You're going to get the entire course. It is absolutely amazing. All you're going to do is enter your email and your password. Then you're going to come to a page like this. And what you could do is you can leave it on the Edison suite if you want. And what that is, it's $297 a month. By the way, don't freak out. $297 a month, it's a little bit of money. But I want you to think about the potential whenever you're selling your course for $500 or $1,000. I mean, that's going to more than pay for your membership. You know, I'm going to teach you how to generate a passive multiple streams of income. So this is nothing. This is just the cost associated with your business that you're doing, all right? But if you go with the Edison suite, you're going to be able to not only get ClickFunnels, but you're also going to be able to get Actionetics, which is your email autoresponder that's going to be connected. And I'll show you how to do all of that. Within the first 14 days, if you start to get to day 10 or 11 and you're like, you know what, I'm kind of struggling and I'm still trying to figure this thing out, you can switch to the $97 plan, all right? Or if you just want to go ahead and start with a $97 plan, just go with that. That's really, you know, if you could, you could do that, but you're also going to need an autoresponder and you're going to need to go ahead and get that set up. But you know what? Don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to do it. So don't freak out, all right? So anyway, go ahead and click on the $297 or the $97. Put your card information below. And they're not going to charge you. Don't worry, they're not going to charge you. And if you want to, you can go ahead and pick up this. It's $47. And what it is, it's 9 secret funnels training. You're going to be able to get some massive value out of that because I did. I took the training and I'm so thankful I did. But that's optional. You don't have to do it. You can do it. It's up to you. So go ahead and do that. And, you know, put your information below. I have the Edison suite and I love it. I use all of it. But I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the next part of the video, which is going to be the next course that I'm going to give you for free. All right, guys, so this is the meat and potatoes of this video. I am really excited about this. So this is something that that recently was launched by Tony Robbins and Russell Brunson, and I think it was a third person. He's a real estate guru that, along with Tony Robbins in the 90s, they dominated the infomercials. But anyway, they created this program called the business blueprint, and the knowledge business blueprint. Sorry. And it was actually a really cool offer that they have, and I want you to check out how much it is. Yep, it's $2,000. And what I want to do is, after they released this, they had $32 million in sales. Now, it might have been, you know, that's the last number I heard, which was a week ago. All right. Now, ClickFunnels released a template of the membership mastermind course. I'm going to give you that template for free, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the entire funnel, the entire mastermind. It consists of all these pages, all right? Actually, I think I may have missed the registration page. Let's see. Here it is right here. So here's the registration page, or like the landing page, and it has the offer, and it has images of the 4 videos that are that'll be drip fed. And here's the first video, which tons of value. Then it has of the ladder stack, showing all the different things that you're going to be offering, and you have to go through and kind of make all these changes, and it's going to be extremely easy. You just have to think about what you want your course to be about and just kind of base it on that. And then you have this video, and then you have video 2, then you have video 4, and then you get them to sign up. Then you do it for free, or they pay. Obviously, I think you want to try to collect some money. And this is the course. You can have this. This will download into your account. And you can go through, make whatever changes you want. But anyway, I wanted to give you a template, something that you can work with. And this template has been proven 100% to sell over $30 million in sales. So I think this works, all right? And I'm going to give this to you, not this, I mean, I'd love to, but I'm going to give this to you for free. So all you're going to do is click below where I'm going to call it Mastermind Membership Template, or something like that. I'm gonna or Tony Robbins Mastermind Template. All right, and you're gonna click on that link, and what it's gonna do, it's gonna come to this. It's gonna come to this page, and as you can see a preview of the entire setup you're gonna get. You're gonna put your if you have not already. If you've already created your ClickFunnels account, just make sure you're logged in, and it's going to automatically download it into your account. All right, it'll be super fast. If you have not already, go ahead and create your ClickFunnels account. It's a free 14-day trial. Personally, if it was me, I would go with the Edison Suite, because you can have everything you need to run your business. $297 is a drop in the hat. You're going to be making so much more than that. But if you're on a strict budget, go ahead and go with the basic package, $97, and you'll be able to create membership sites, webinars, auto webinars, product launches, generate leads, landing pages, sales funnels. If you just want to create a website, you could do that. And then I'm going to teach you through the other course. I'm going to give you how to connect your third-party autoresponder, and I'll show you how to do all of that. So anyway, again, I am providing so much value that you're going to be getting. I am challenging you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment below, and I'm going to give this to you for free. Is that not awesome? Is that not exciting? If that doesn't put goosebumps on your neck, I don't know what will. Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you got a ton of value out of that training. More importantly, I want to challenge you to implement and take action on everything that you've learned in this video. So inside of the description below is going to be everything you need to get started there, including the link for you to click on and to be able to download this pre-built high converting membership site and course for you to be able to use and to go out and crush it in your business. So as always, my name is Billy Aiken. I help entrepreneurs and small businesses crush it. And I want to challenge you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Smash the thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you got value and if you learned anything new in this video. And I'll see you on the next video.